Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in Cars vs. Trucks, and we're gonna see if I can actually get good at this game. And I am not that good at driving, as you can see here. This guy is hacking. I can't tell if he's lagging or hacking. Well, there's still more people to catch, so alright guys, I could drive in the game, so that means I could totally drive in real life. Alright, let's follow Drippy Bacon here, and he is in this video. I'm gonna jump it. Okay, that did not work. It did not. Oh. I'm gonna hit this ramp. I totally made it. I didn't fail. I'm gonna get this guy. I'm not gonna get him. I'm not gonna get him. Oh man. Oh, we won. That was weird. Rainbow Screw! Yay! Rainbow Screw! I can't tell if I'm saying that right. Oh dang, I started out with this car. Not that one. Why is this actually kind of good? I just jumped so much. This is actually fun, bro. Oh wait, I forgot there's copyrighted music. Yes. Now we have to have volume. Yeah. My boys. I'm gonna crush them. Anyone who dares to come here will be crushed. They will be crushed. Yeah, never mind. That was easy, bro. Crossroad, no, Desert Highway. Let's go. I actually like this game so far. Here we go. Gonna make this. What the heck? I'm gonna buy this. That's what I got. It's actually pretty good though. No, it's not. Open another one. What is it? What is it? I don't get anything. Don't scare him. I didn't get anything. Oh, dude, he did not get me. Did you guys see that? Can we get a replay on that? Anything. Oh! Oh my. Literally. That guy did not touch me. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh! I literally crushed him. I took revenge on him. Dang. I literally took revenge on bro. Oh! Oh my god. Bling. Bro, how did I not make that? Oh, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. No! Bro, if he kept going straight. Let's go! And Drippy Bacon was MVP. Come on. Come on. Alright, there we go. I am the only truck. I have the worst truck. I am the only truck. What the heck did that guy just do? I crushed him! Bruh. Let's go here. Oh, snap. Ah! See, this is good driving skills. I told you I know how to drive in real life. I'm not that good at driving, as you can see here. Definitely no. Bro, I'm gonna get this car that's on the ramp. Yeah. Dang, good job. Oh my god! How was he underground? Bro was literally underground. Oh, we have to find this guy. Oh my god, my car flipped. We won! Yay! No! You don't want crossroads. What am I gonna get? What did I get? I swear, if I got scammed again. Yes! Hey, can we talk about how Grippy Bacon is the only... Never mind. I feel like some people just want to be the truck. Like, is that not true? They just jumped off! That's just crazy. That is just crazy. Oh, snap! Keep on going. Oh! 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 Oh my god, that guy was about to crush me. Ow! Oh my god. I fell. Oh, this thing's actually pretty fast. This thing's pretty fast, bro. Oh my... Get him! I got him! I got the last car. Literally the last car. Desert highway, desert highway. We just need one more vote. Come on. Yes! We got five! Let's go! We're doing a desert highway. I gotta spin this. I gotta spin this. Gimme, gimme. Come on. The same thing. I'm on the cars team. On desert highway. Should I just follow these checkpoints? Or whatever these are? Oh my god, I see the truck. Oh, there's already two. You see what I mean by I'm such a good driver? You see what I mean by that? Can we get a replay of that? Showing how good of a driver I was? That was so good. Oh my god, that was like my best trick. I can't believe it. Bye-bye! Ah! Got him. This map is actually pretty good. Dude, this jump is impossible. Going up here. And boing! Alright. I am good. Sharp turn. Go, 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 go! Chase him! Chase him! Chase him! Get him! I got him! Car MVP, truck MVP. Let's go. I got truck MVP. Let's go. That was such a W. We gotta do that again. You gotta do that again. Why am I the only person who's owning Desert Highway? Oh my god! When did I get 8 spins? I must continue gambling. Gotta continue gambling. I'm driving while gambling. Do not do this at home. That's what happens if you do that at home. You get really good driving skills. I am ready to eat some prey. Blink. Blink. Get him. What's up there? Oh. Oh. What the? My guy's flying. Get him. Get him. Oh, bro, this stupid truck. Go. Go. No! Come on. I can do it. Get him! Where's the last player? Only I remain. Truck MVP again! I'm just too good, bro. I gotta continue gambling. I gotta continue gambling. I'm getting so much coins. Come on. Come on. Give me the 1% or 0.5%. Come on. Come on. Oh, I was so close. What the? Did I just see a truck? I think I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, that's a truck. I am not going near that truck. Oh, I see a truck. I see a truck. Like I said, really good driver. The last person remaining is right here. He can fly! We got him! Yay! We got him! We got him! I low-key need a better truck. Give me a better truck. I don't need this. Accessory crate. I got a 6%. Customize. Accessories. Oh yeah. Look at that. I got a mustachio in my car. I got a mustachio on my car. I'm waiting in line. Hurry up. Hurry up, bro. I'm waiting in line. You know what? I'm gonna cut the line. I'm in the line, bro. Don't cut the line. I got instant karma. Wait, can I customize this? Mustachio. W. I gotta catch this guy. Since when was there a secret road there? What? Did you guys see that guy? I'm stuck. I got him! win. He got MVP. W. That was the rarest thing, the mustachio. Crossroads. Is that a cattail? Car. I think I do like the cattail. Ooh, the game already started and I got my beautiful cattail. Whoop people with this cattail, bro. I have power. Ow. Dude, go! Go! Oh my god. I'm holding on. Someone? No way. No way. No way. Oh my. Oh, oh, oh! I just choked him! I just choked him! I just choked him! Oh! No way. No way. No way. No way. I did not even touch him! I did not even touch him! I did not touch him! Get a replay of that, bro! I did not even touch him! I was not even close! Man, how many replays have you done in this video? He's flying! Nania! Where is he? Where is he? I can smell him with my mustachio. I knew it. I could smell him. I knew it. I knew it. Bro, I don't want that. I don't want that. 4 spins! Yay! Oh man, I only got 100 coins. Spin! Spin, spin, spin! Spin. Now this is a dangerous map. There's no railings. So I gotta be a little bit careful where I go. Okay, gotta focus now. Oh! No! This map is so difficult. I would be surprised if even one car survived on this map. And won. Cause this is just crazy. Bro, I hit him! How come when they don't hit me, it counts, but when I don't hit them, it don't count? What do you mean? Okay, this guy just flew. And he just fell. W. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Oh!
Oh yeah, I got the second best one.
Imagine I get the best one. Nope, I got the worst one. Is it the worst one?
Mustachio!
I got no mustache. I already almost fell off. Oh! I got some skills, man. Look at that. That's pure skill, bro. Oh, look at that drift. Bro, I can go up to a truck and be like this. Oh!
Who wants hot dogs? Who wants hot dogs? I know some of you do. There's your hot dog. Don't drop it, because I'm not getting you a new one.
And that guy dropped it. Well, I just got revenge on. And now you're running. Now you're running because you don't want to drop your hot dog, huh? Dang, he crushed 4 cars. It's kind of weak.
Feels so nice to be the best player in here.
Right? Right? Anyone?
I'm a truck on the galaxy map. It'll be very hard for these people. Who wants hot dogs?
No one ask. I don't need your help. What's up, bro? What's up? Want some hot dogs? Want some hot dogs?
I'm selling hot dogs. Selling hot dogs. Who wants hot dogs?
You want hot dogs? Did you say you want hot dogs? I did it! We got him! You guys saw me. You guys literally saw me. Oh! Gotta get him. Gotta get him. Blink. I literally just did a slight tap on him. I got it again? That's crazy. I am a car. But there's the truck. I just gave him a free kill. I just wanted to serve some hot dogs. Right, totally. I'm stuck. Oh well. Wait a minute, match. Alright, there we go. Someone's got to go that way. Oh my god! How do you even land that? Dang, bro, just fell. That was crazy. Clam. Oh yeah, we're on Rainbow Secret. Whatever. Oh yeah. Just driving. Okay, boy. That was sick. The fact that you can just jump onto roads is crazy. Oh! Oh god. No! I did not die! This sucks. Oh! Clutch. Psych. You can aim it! Look at this. Wait. Yippee! You can go anywhere you want. Yippee! I'm going to the moon! You can't. He's got a problem! Ow! 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 Ah! I'm going. Yippee! I see him. I see him. I literally... Dang, that clutch was crazy. Bro, I actually like this map. You can just go off the map and then... Yippee! Okay, never mind. Yippee! That was crazy. No way. No! I didn't have enough force. I'm just having fun at this point. I'm not even... Okay, let me have fun while I'm chasing the thing. Oh, damn, we did it. No, we didn't! We did not do it! Well, that sucks. Special crates.
I got a 6%! Oh my god! It's not even bad! Super car crate. Wow.
Oh, it's drippy bacon. Woohoo! That's safe. Now he's legit the only truck. Never mind. Boink. That's so fun, bro. You can literally just... Now we get to have fun. Wait. Bro, my internet. Yeah, that's what we like to see.
My feet.
Weak. He just... This is intense. He's flying. I suck at flying. Okay, actually I don't. I do suck at flying. I suck at flying.
I wanna get off. Yeah.
He's just flying into space, bro. He fell. W. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys